Similar styles is the second feature of AI Style. It allows you to extend the uploaded image into multiple designs. First, click Upload to select the base image. This is the picture I uploaded. Add prompts to description, or select the labels down below to control the results. Similarity is a big factor. The lower the coefficient, the greater the change produced. 0.5 is the most balanced coefficient. Click Intelligent Generation. Waiting for the generating process. These 4 pieces are generated based on the uploaded picture. You can click the image for more details. Compare Picture allows you to see the differences clearly. This time, I make the similarity to 0.2. We can clearly see the diversity of generated images. You can adjust the coefficient according to your needs.